We are offering you Qualcert Level 2 Diploma in Electrical Technology. This essential course is designed to provide you with the foundational skills and knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic field of electrical technology. Electrical technology is a cornerstone of modern industry, driving innovations and ensuring the smooth operation of countless systems. Our Level 2 Diploma will equip you with the technical expertise to meet the demands of this exciting field. By completing the Level 2 Diploma in Electrical Technology, you will be prepared to advance your career in electrical engineering or related fields, with a strong foundation in technical skills and industry practices. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to Electrical Principles, Electrical Safety and Regulations, Electrical Components and Wiring Systems, Electrical Circuits and Circuit Analysis, Electrical Installation Practices, Testing, Inspection, and Maintenance. This course is ideal for aspiring electricians, recent high school graduates, career changers, trade apprentices, professionals seeking skill enhancement, those interested in sustainable energy. What is the duration of this course? The Qualcert Level 2 Diploma in Electrical Technology typically takes 6 to 12 months to complete. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.